Hello everyone, welcome to the Doug Murray Show. Today we're going to talk about BitLocker, a hard drive encryption tool that is built into Windows operating systems. BitLocker provides enhanced data security by encrypting the entire hard drive, thereby preventing unauthorized access to the data stored on it. Now you might be wondering what the benefits of using BitLocker are. First and foremost, BitLocker provides complete disk encryption, which means all the data on the drive is encrypted. This ensures that if the drive is lost or stolen, unauthorized users can't access the stored data. For organizations, this helps meet compliance standards related to data protection. Additionally, being a Microsoft product, BitLocker seamlessly integrates with Windows operating systems, simplifying the deployment process for administrators and offering a consistent user experience. Businesses can quickly implement BitLocker without needing third-party tools. Lastly, BitLocker offers centralized management capabilities, allowing administrators to control who gets access to what. This makes it easy to manage encryption keys and ensure that only authorized users can access the encrypted data. However, there are some drawbacks to using BitLocker as well. For instance, BitLocker can cause a slowdown in system performance during the encryption and decryption process. This is because the encryption process requires significant CPU and memory usage, which can impact the overall performance of the system. Additionally, BitLocker is only available on Windows devices and is not compatible with other operating systems and devices. This can be a problem for organizations that use a mix of devices and operating systems. Finally, recovering data from a BitLocker encrypted drive can be challenging, especially if the encryption key is lost or damaged. This can result in data loss if the key cannot be recovered. In summary, BitLocker is a powerful tool that provides enhanced data security and centralized management capabilities. However, it can cause a slowdown in system performance, is limited to Windows devices, and can be challenging to recover data from if the encryption key is lost or damaged. I hope this information helps you understand the benefits and drawbacks of using BitLocker. Thank you for watching. We'll be back with other episodes soon.